Okay, guys, now that we have uploaded our Facebook cover photo, we are good to go. So let's head on to ChatGPT to do what? To create a professional post. Okay, before you create a professional post, I'm sure you already have some pictures of what the business is talking about. All right, like you learned website design, you should have a screenshot of some things you've done. You should have pictures of, if you're into solar, you should have pictures of the solar equipment and stuff. Whatever, if you're into agriculture, you should have pictures of whatever agricultural product you have. So that's what we'll be using as a proof. Do you understand? So this is how we do it. Head on to this way. If you've not closed the chat GPT we're using, you need to go back there. Right. So here we have to tell it to create a professional. Create a profession. What's going on? Create a professional post for the Facebook page of Yep alumni, telling people what it does, right? Telling people what it does, benefits attached, and a call to action. Watch the video, the okay, the call to action. Then you can include your services. So here are our services. So I've already given the services to this AI and it understands my service. So whatever service you're into, you tell the AI the service you're into, then you click what? The upper one. Please send list of services. Okay. I already told you. I like interacting with this chat GPT. I already told you earlier. Business and brand visibility. Right? Then you tell it to generate hashtags to make it rank on Facebook algorithm. So post should be, people don't like reading long things. Post should be like 50 words. People don't like reading long things. 50 word max. Like, to be honest, people don't like reading long things. Okay? So make it, keep it simple. Yep, alumni helps alumni grow their business rapidly while using social media. We guide you to sell your skills, attract customers. I think this is better. So we'll just copy it. When I copy it, I'll copy it this way. Copy everything. Copy. And I head on to the Facebook. So this is where we are making our first Facebook page post rather. You click on this part here that says what's in your mind. You paste that right there. It's not difficult, guys. So you start removing some things. Then you can so you tell the AI to generate hashtags that are useful in your niche. Okay. So I don't have any pictures of Yep alumni, but I'll still put something like this inside. Okay. Then I'll click on next. Creating an event is easy. Not now, please. I'm creating a post. Then you click on post. So another important aspect is reviews. Reviews you're seeing right here. So you can ask your peers to head on to your channel to give you what reviews. All right. So this is what it looks like. Like, you know what I'm saying. Then you can also like it. You tell your friends to support. Like, you know what I'm saying. We are going organic, and the support have to be from each and every one of us individually. So when there's support and engagement, the algorithm ranks. We're trying to cheat the algorithm this time around. The algorithm ranks your page. Like as you scroll through to see some comedy videos, some comedy videos on Facebook, some things, some funny things on Facebook. It's the same way Facebook is going to rank yours to other audiences, especially audiences around you. If you channel it to audience around you, so we've created a professional Facebook business post. So this is how you keep creating posts professionally. So we are going to create like up to 15 posts, 15 posts, at least one in the morning, one in the evening. Then the next video, I'll teach you how you can upload, edit some changes to your videos while you do what you learn to upload video content too. But you don't just upload video, you have to make some editing to your videos, add some text for people who may not actually, who don't learn fast, or who have some problems with quick picking up things. You could, while you're talking at some, explaining some things in the videos, you could just present a text form of it on the screen so that people can be carried along. Do you understand what I'm saying? Then majority of things you're talking about, some aspects you can put their pictures too on top of your video, even if you don't have those things readily available. So it's all about editing, the power of editing. So you have to edit your video professionally to make it look good. It's when your video looks good, people tend to watch more, and it gets ranked on search engine. So there's nothing actually, there's no juju behind the bars. If you do the right thing, your channel will get on time. So this is how we've been able to do what? Create a professional post on Facebook. Alright. So next thing we want to do is creating video content. But I like you guys to make your submissions on on your first post, so that you can also share it with other alumni so that they can get to engage in it. For us to get, this is a step. This is we are going by stages. We are going into stages of making our videos rank, making our Facebook page rank to get online clients or customers. So since we are going through series of stages, we have to be consistent. If there's anything I want to encourage everyone, being the power of consistency. Alright, is when you're consistent and there's engagement, Facebook gets to do what? Suggest your videos for watching, suggest your page for sites. People who need them will contact you. People who need your service, it gives you visibility in the online space. You understand? Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Until I come your way again, if you're yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe, like the videos, and share it. Right.